In today's video, I will walk you through how to change MT5 to dark mode PC. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer the way you normally would. Wait for the platform to load until you see the main trading screen. Once you're on the main screen, look at the menu along the top of the platform. From the menu, click View. After the View menu opens, look for the option called Color Themes. Click Color Themes to open the available appearance options. Inside the Color Themes menu, you'll see different choices. To switch MetaTrader 5 to a dark appearance, click Dark. If you want to use the system appearance instead, click System.choose the option that matches how you want MetaTrader 5 to look. As soon as you select the Dark option, the platform will switch to the dark color scheme. If you later decide that you want to change it again, you can return to the same menu. Simply click View, open Color Themes, and select a different option. The process is always the same. Open the View menu, choose Color Themes, and select either System or Dark. If you switch between the available options, you'll be able to change the appearance whenever you want. Whenever you want to use dark mode again, repeat these same steps, go to the top menu, click View, choose Color Themes, and select Dark. If you prefer to match your system appearance instead, choose System from the same menu. There are no additional settings that you need to change. Everything is handled directly through the Color Themes option. If you ever want to switch back and forth between the available appearance options, simply return to the View menu and make another selection. The change is made directly from the Color Themes menu, so you don't need to go anywhere else in the platform. As long as you're on the main MetaTrader 5 screen, you can access this option at any time. Just remember the path. Click View, select Color Themes, and then choose either Dark or System depending on the appearance you want to use. If you change your mind later, you can repeat the same steps and select the other option. That's all there is to changing MetaTrader 5 to dark mode on your PC. Open the View menu, click Color Themes, choose Dark if you want to enable dark mode, or choose System if you want to use the system appearance. Once you've selected your preferred option, the platform will use that color theme. Thank you for watching.